So here is the day in the life of a few individuals at a very well-known manufacturing company to show how ServiceNow's service operations can push companies like yours to new digital-first heights. Now keep in mind, even before the current economic headwinds, this company had severe challenges keeping employees happy, as well as this company's CIO was challenged by underperforming business services and spiraling costs due to the disconnected systems and siloed processes. However, this company quickly got in front of these challenges with the adoption of a clear service operations roadmap and strategy, as well as leveraging a single cloud architecture, which in turn made this company's technology stronger, better, and safer. So let's start. Employee support for the most part was in a black hole. Knowledge-based help was antiquated, and requests took days and weeks to answer. CSAT scores were very much in the red. However, since the adoption of ServiceNow, resolution times and customer satisfaction scores have significantly increased, in part to the self-service provided to this company's end users. So here it is, ServiceNow's Employee Center portal with ServiceNow's virtual agent, and this was a key part of this success. This employee portal, out of the box, provides specific information to individual users that it's based on their region within the company, role within the company, department, and so on. And by introducing ServiceNow's virtual agent, it rapidly simplified employee self-service to a 24/7, 365-day-a-year model, and it provided immediate support. Another concern is that MS Teams was the preferred communication tool internally. However, with out-of-the-box platform integrations with MS Teams, this ServiceNow's virtual agent was up and running on day one within those Teams channels. And when those self-service options were exhausted, the requests and tickets were automatically routed to the correct resolution groups thanks to the virtual agent as well as the ServiceNow platform. So now let's switch gears to our services and help desk team, where cases and tickets were significantly piling up. Mean time to resolution was taking weeks, and agents were just simply burnt out. With ServiceNow's ITSM Pro solution, workflows, playbooks, and workspaces help to efficiently resolve incidents, problems, changes, and requests. And this was a crucial component for a momentous decrease in mean time to resolution for this manufacturing company. So we're starting in ServiceNow's Service Operations Workspace, where agents like this no longer needed to manually input key case or ticket information. And this is because ServiceNow's platform can auto-populate many of the key fields, saving significant time in triage and resolution processes. Now furthermore, with ServiceNow's AI-based recommendation engine, this agent now has intelligently populated resolution suggestions as well as major incident support functionality. To extend this further, some of this functionality was baked into the MS Teams integrations, really helping to further reduce mean time to resolution as well as significantly lighten the burden of this company's service teams. So as we begin to close, let's talk about predictive AI ops. Previously, remediation of issues was slow and painfully reactive due to the manual processes, as well as the lack of insights into service prioritization. This is where ServiceNow's ITOM solution started to predict incidents before users are even impacted by automating root cause analysis to further accelerate resolutions, really helping to avoid much of what we saw with our services teams as well as our end user created cases and tickets earlier. And here we see our service operations teams logged into Service Operations Workspace. However, notice the views, the widgets, the information. It is very specific to the operations team's needs. At-a-glance service health dashboards as well as workbenches that offer predictive alert information along with AI-driven anomalous behavior details. This information includes embedded service maps with configuration item mapping as well as other information to better understand service interdependencies, really accelerating root cause investigations. This company has also set up automated remediation playbooks, giving operations teams guided recommendations, getting to resolution much quicker. Now, finally, throughout these months of success, this CIO has become one of the company's champions for helping to invoke positive change in difficult times. Areas of CSAT improvement, as well as cost savings due to busted silos and inefficiencies that were removed by leveraging all the company's digital needs with key components within ServiceNow's ITSM Pro and ITOM solutions. With the addition of machine learning and AI, it has tremendously accelerated his digital-first corporate strategies and saved the company in both time and money, leading to their next stage of their digital-first journey. And this really showcases the power of ServiceNow's ITSM Pro and ITOM solution in conjunction with a single cloud architecture, resulting in ways that drives this company's technology to make it, again, stronger, better, and safer, and really helping them achieve some of the great metrics that you see here. Next, this company is really looking to further innovate by optimizing workforce skill levels, as well as looking at process optimization. Now, all this success and forward thinking can be easily qualified and quantified in ServiceNow's CIO dashboard with clear details that can be shared with company strategists throughout the company. And this really is the power of ServiceNow's service operations story for this company. Please reach out to your local representative for a demo to see how service operations could help your company's digital-first needs.